Namaskar. Welcome back to the example number 3 for the event financial prospects. In the previous video, we had a detailed discussion on this example number 3, wherein we studied the male chart whose financial prospect is above average, especially through the properties. His earnings from the business, that earnings being invested into properties, so that money is converted into properties. From the properties, is got some good earning by way of resale value and sudden gain and earning through rents also. So all these things are all indicated the gain from the properties are more than gain from the business. That we had a detailed discussion in the previous video. Now the same example we are going to study with the help of the PILT table in this video, wherein we are going to study the destiny planets are under the influence of the favorable key planet for the financial prospects by the rulers and also in supports, and also how far the running periods or previous periods are also supportive for such earnings from the properties and also business. Let us have a discussion on this example with the help of the PILT table. Example number 3, above average financial position, earnings from business and importantly properties. We are going to study with the help of the PILT table in this video. This is the birth chart of that male native we discussed. Now we are going to study with the help of the PILT table. So let us go to house grouping and we'll go to the PILT page and check the role of the favorable key planets for the financial prospects. They are supporting the destiny, lagna, and also importantly the dasa periods. Now we are on the PILT page. Now let me click KP check all and let me keep open the self significators also. So we can see there are only 1, 2, 3. 1 Mercury, Mars, and Ketu are the planets with the green color, and blue is Moon. So that 4 planets are favorable, other planets are mixed. Mixed in the sense not with unfavorable grouping, only Rahu has got 8 and 9. All other mixed also having got favorable to the Lagna and gain to others. So it is not indicating loss or strong unfavorable to the Lagna, but gain to the others also indicating. Now let us check the second ruler. Second Lord planet is Moon. Moon is, you can see all the rulers are ruled by the favorable green color planets, good key planets, all are ruling. Moon is second Lord. That itself is, blue. It is because of 8 and 12 only we have got some obstacles, but good grouping. Moon in the star of Ketu, again Mercury, Mars are good, and you can see Mars is good key planet, Mercury also good key planet. You can see they are all playing in supports of the each rulers. You can see, so that itself is indicating good grouping with a PILT table, PILT connection, the rulers link also present. The second ruler are getting connected to each other with a good significator. That is good, right? That no being shared planets are ruling the second lord. That is also good. So they are present only in support. They are indicating some weakness, but favorable grouping are strongly present. Then second sublord planet is Mercury. Mercury, the second sublord planet, and also Mercury is the second lord, and also, second sublord and fourth sublord, and a sublord, and 1-4 cuspal lord also. So let us check what Mercury is signifying. Mercury is good. You can see all the rulers are with the green color planets, favorable strong key planets with the good planets in supports, and also they are all forming rulers link. This indicating strongly that the destiny is very good for the financial prospects. So now, as I said, that not only the second house, fourth house also strongly connected, and 6th house and 11th house are also connected by the Mars. All these significations are favorable for the gain from the properties also, because Mercury is not only second cuspal sublord, also fourth cuspal sublord and eighth cuspal sublord, and also it is Lagna lord and fourth lord, that we had a detailed discussion in the previous videos. So that second cuspal sublord is very good, second lord also good, that itself is support, it is indicating notable, financial prospects. Now, actually, that native is presently running Rahu Mahadasa, previously Mars and previously Moon. So, prior to that, Sun Mahadasa was running. Sun Mahadasa is not so good, favorable for strong, favorable for the financial prospect. It is average only. But Moon planet is favorable. After that, Mars is also favorable, supportive for the natives for investing into the assets and properties, acquirement, all these things happen in the moon period, and also Mars is also supportive. Mars, sublord planet, Jupiter and Saturn, this has got some weakness. Mars is forming roller link to all levels. That way, it is giving support through its roller link. So that way, that weakness are getting reduced by the favorable key planets, and that planet level, star level, 2A level also favorable. So during Mars also supportive for the natives' financial prospect, but the result it is indicating some mixed signification. It means the result is supportive for others also, or it is indicating to some extent by way of ruler sling, but it is not so good like moon. So moon dasa is going to be very good, and Mars dasa was, it is also good only, but when compared to moon, it has got some weakness at the sub level. And running Rahu also fine by the star level planet, but this Rahu has got some weakness. So definitely during Rahu Dasa, the native will face gain also, native will face some obstacles also. Because you can see Rahu, though it has got some weakness, but it has got Mars in supports, Star Lord also Mars. So that way it is getting the strength of the favorable key planets by way of supports, by way of Star Lord also. That way that Rahu is overall, Rahu is going to be comparatively less favorable than the previous Mars and Moon, but that is not going to be detrimental. Suppose sublord instead of Rahu, if it is other favorable key planet, so despite some weakness in the source, but other levels are going to be favorable, sublord is going to be favorable. Now, sublord also ruled by Rahu, because of that obstacles are repeated. But fortunately, that Rahu also getting the support of the Mars, and star lord of the sublord is also Mars, it is favorable. So when compared to Mars, Rahu is indicating some weakness. So since the destiny is good, second lord also good, second sublord also good, fourth sublord also good, supportive for the earning from the fourth house, remaining from the second house, and it is also connected to the 10th house. It is supportive for the business and also earning from the properties. Because of the destiny is good, then when the dasa lord is having some mixed signification, there will be some ups and downs, but that will not be completely detrimental, because destiny is supportive for the gain only. Suppose if the second sublord planet or second lord planet in the star and sub of a planet which are having favorable, along with that 8 and 12 signification strongly, 5, 8, 12 are strongly present, then others, it will be more favorable to the others, not for the Lagna's financial position. So in that case, that Rahu, suppose that second sublord Mercury is having Rahu in its supports, or second sublord planet Mercury having got Rahu in the sublord, what will happen that during the Rahu period, definitely the native will face a lot of struggle, and even obstacles and financial struggles he will face during that Rahu period, because destiny itself is having that Rahu in its rulers and also passing ruler link to the star level planet. But since destiny is good, not having the unfavorable key planets in the rulers, so destiny is fixed. The dasa based on that dasa, that impact will be plus and minus will be there, but not going to be completely detrimental. You can see that Mars planet, star level planet, having got Mercury also, Ketu also, and passing ruler link to the Mars. So there will be some challenges, but that is not going to be detrimental. I think you're able to understand how far the native's destiny is on the financial prospect is decided by the Mercury planet, that is second cusp of Lord and fourth sub Lord and also Lagna Lord. And second Lord also favorable because and the second occupant Ketu is occupying second house, that already discussed. Also you can see all are good. Occupant of the second house Ketu having got Rahu in its supports. This is indicating some weakness. So, occupant of the second house, the money occupant of the second house, the planet which is influencing the second house matters, it is supportive for the Rahu, it is supportive for others, 8th house and 9th house. It is favorable for the others also. So it means it is going to be utilized by others also, by the occupant of the second house, that is indicating. But second sublord is good, second lord also good. That way it is good. Otherwise, it is having favorable key planets at the Mercury, Ketu are strongly playing role. But if many planets are having this Mercury and Ketu in their star level and sub level also, if it is present, and role of the unfavorable or mixed key planets are lesser in case, like previous charts we discussed. If it was like that, then that financial position would have been very good. Now, financial position is good, but by way of properties and gain from the properties is it is strongly indicated. I think we're able to understand how we can differentiate this person's financial position along with that present the previous charts financial position. Here, financial position is not so good to that expected level of that previous example, but it is talking about money, second house, and connected to the fourth house, sixth house, 11th house, 8 and 11 grouping, supportive for the native financial position with the help through the properties. Okay, but with the fifth house, seventh house, ninth house, these grouping are not so good for the business prospects, and it is supportive for the opposite persons or gain to others. So that gain from the business is not so good, but gain from the properties is good because money is being converted into properties. That's what that destiny is signifying. I think you're able to understand. We'll meet in the next video. Good luck.